dear friends, I'm Jordan Wang. Thank you for the great support to Orange Fasteners in 2012. I hope you enjoy to work with us and continue to use Orange Fasteners as your partner. My team and I will do the best to work for you in the coming new years. Now, they want to give you the best wishes by themselves.
Hi gentlemen, I'm James Wang. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas!
1、2、3 Hi, I'm Storm.
Hi, I'm George.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Hi, I'm Yuting.
Hi, I'm Kelly. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
講唔掂，你要先自我介紹。
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
好，那再重来一次。
Hello, I'm Michael. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.